How to see your blocked contacts list on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to find every contact you've blocked on the app. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings from the dropdown that appears. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. From there, scroll down until you see the Contacts section and tap on it. Following this, tap on Blocked Contacts right at the top of that page. Once done, you'll see a complete list of every contact you've blocked on WhatsApp, all in one place. From here, if you want to unblock someone, just tap on their name and hit unblock. At this stage, if your list is on the longer side, scroll through carefully since there's no search bar available to filter through contacts here. Finally, if you don't see anyone on the list, it simply means you haven't blocked anyone on your account yet. That's how you check your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch every new upload. See you then.